Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, guys, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, we'll love to chat first. And also if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, guys, the link to our Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So go to the comment section, see the link to our Telegram channel, follow us on Telegram because there will be putting out 1 or 2 useful information that you would need, some potential trade setup, some trade we'll be looking at. You can also chat with us there on Telegram. The link will be in the comment section. Now let's take a look at AUDUSD. Let's start with the higher time frame. So we can see something like this. Euro and AUDUSD has literally been dropping. Let's start with this moment from 2020. We can see that literally it has been dropping, right? Now, if you take a look at this right here, we can see the first impulse move to the downside. Within this impulse move that it was going down, we are having a lower lows and a lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Then the corrective phase came in, which pushed up. You can see it. It dropped and came kind of serve like a double top here, right? It is still the corrective phase. Now, if you take a look at this, we've now gotten the new impulse move, the second impulse move to the downside. We can see the impulse move took out these previous lows, right? Within this impulse move that was playing out, there was a lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Now we are now on the corrective phase, meaning this AUD/USD is likely to we are heading straight to a level of 0.68. So currently we are trading at 0.65, right? So for long-term traders or position traders, you would want to go long and grab at least 2005 and 200. Will I say 2000? Is it 200 pips, right? This is about 110 pips. This is about 250 pips, right? So we are expecting AUD/USD to push to at least 250 pips, close to 300 pips. That is exactly what we are expecting on AUD/USD. So AUD/USD, we are going bullish. We are heading straight to a level of 0.68. Currently, we are trading at 0.65. So heading straight to a level of 0.68. That is our level we are watching out for. So within this impulse move to the upside, which is a corrective wave, right? Within this corrective wave, you can see here, we will be expecting an higher high side and a higher lows, which is currently playing out. Now go down to the forward time frame. What can you see here in this movement? Let's start. The movement started from here. Let's start from here for quick analysis. This is the higher highs, right? This is an higher lows. This is an higher highs here. Here comes what higher lows, you can see it. And guess what is currently playing out? We are expecting a new higher highs. Though if you currently when this market closed out, you can see it closed at an equal highs. That does not mean to start selling. Do not go ahead and start selling because a lot of traders will start selling. That is because you say, okay, it looks like double top want to start playing out. We are going to get stopped out. That is for sure. It is going to push up, thereby giving us a new higher highs. After that new higher highs, then a pullback should be made, then a new higher high. So basically, AUD/USD, we will be expecting a bullish move. So more buys is exactly what we will be expecting on AUD/USD. So watch out for it. Higher highs and higher lows is what we'll be expecting. Now let's see what's on this 1 hour time frame. You can see currently this is kind of like an equal highs. So a little bit of a pullback, then we should expect more bullish move. So do not forget to follow us on Telegram, guys. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section.